What's up, world? It's Monday, November 19th, 2018. And for those of you who haven't heard my voice in a long time, welcome back. And for those of you new to this channel, just now hearing my voice, welcome to my channel. I'm here at the Sacramento Bee, or SacB.com, and I've got an article I want to go ahead and share with everyone. It's been quite a while since I've shared an article like this. Pretty much just trying not to report too much and stay under the radar. That's about all that equals up to, and mostly just editing existing videos. But let me go ahead and read this article with you guys. Here you can see the title is Illuminati, Government, Lasers, California Fire Conspiracy Theories Are Wild and Wildly Implausible. This article was posted on November 15th and updated November 16th. There's little to no evidence to support most of their claims, but that doesn't stop blogs, forums, YouTube channels, and other outlets from sharing sensational conspiracy theorist explanations in the aftermath of tragedy. Venture down the wrong path of Google or Wikipedia searches and you may find yourself in the thick of some alternative explanations for California's deadly wildfires. Very, very alternative explanations. Here's just a sampling of most of them relating to last year's fires. For reasons relating to their credibility, we won't link directly to stories making claims of questionable veracity, but all theories listed below have been shared online by at least 2 different conspiracy enthusiast outlets. Surf the web at your own risk. A number of theories emerged following last year's fires, claiming that the burn patterns seen in some photos could only be explained by targeting lasers, which must have been operated by terrorist groups, the US government, aliens, or some other agitated party. These lasers supposedly were shot at California from either planes or spaceships, perhaps unmanned drones, for reasons that were not entirely clear. Some have claimed that California's recent wildfires were planned efforts by clandestine groups such as the Illuminati or the New World Order, either as a show of force or in an effort to distract the mainstream media. A few websites claim the lasers from the above conspiracy theory are an Illuminati product, extrapolating from reports that the 2017 wildfires destroyed expansive marijuana farms. Some alternative news websites claimed, with little evidence, that drug cartels from Mexico or South America may have played a role in sparking some of the blazes. Let's quickly move on to the part where we debunk most of these claims. Cal Fire has not yet determined the cause for the Tubbs fire, which reportedly killed 24 people, but the state agency did determine a cause for most of them. 16 other Northern California fires last year were found to have been linked with Pacific Gas and Electric Company, or PG&E, equipment, including sagging power lines. No Cal Fire investigation has shown any indication that drug cartels, Illuminati, or aliens played any role in sparking or spreading last year's deadly blazes, or any other wildfire in state history of significant size or destruction. As for the lasers, conspiracy theorists had asked, how could it be that while some houses burned, the surrounding grass and foliage appeared perfectly fine? It must be the work of trillion-plus watt laser beams raining down from the heavens, those theories said, linking to photos shared on the news. But as Science Alert reported last December, there's no evidence that this is the case, or that direct energy weapons have ever been used to start a wildfire. Science Alert further explained, with the help of biologists, that those strange patterns could be explained by the erratic natures of fire and wind, as well as moisture on wood preventing some spots from burning. In other words, none of these out there theories related to 2017 or 2018 wildfires has been proven true in any way. Of note, though, some media outlets have described a suspect arrested this year for allegedly igniting a large wildfire as an avid conspiracy theorist. Of course. Forrest Gordon Clark, 51, is accused of starting a 23,000-acre wildfire called the Holy Fire near a cabin in Orange County. His Facebook page is littered with links to popular conspiracy theories, including ones related to the 9/11 terror attacks and the October 2017 mass shooting in Las Vegas, the Los Angeles Times reported. Clark is scheduled to appear in court November 28th. Wildfire conspiracy theories did not begin last year, but after the October 2017 December wildfires ravaged the state, an uptick in creative backstories for destructive and deadly wildfires could be observed. A graph via Google Trends shows search traffic for the phrase California wildfire conspiracy peaked in the first 2 weeks of January 2018. The phrase went virtually unsearched in the 4 years prior. The early stages of new conspiracies, ranging from the political to the scientific to just plain weird, have already sprouted again as the campfire continues to burn in Butte or Butte County. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. They may be even riper for theories this time around, as some celebrities have lost their Southern California homes to the Woolsey and Hill fires that ripped Ventura County, including Malibu. Read the internet with caution. So once again, we have an article of them pretty much putting the truth right in your face. For those of you who've never heard of it, I just recently actually watched it and found out about it myself. There's a movie that's called Real Genius, and the movie is actually starring Val Kilmer. A lot of you know who Val Kilmer is, famous actor. The description here: teenage geniuses deal with their abilities while developing a high-powered laser for a university project. When their professor intends to turn their work into a military weapon, they decide to ruin his plans. So basically, the professor handpicks some very smart students for this laser project, and once they have gotten this laser, to perform the way they want it to or it's supposed to, then it disappears into the military's hands, and so the students try to steal it back. It's a pretty interesting movie. It came out in 1985, as you can see. So for those of you who've never seen it, if you're interested, in directed energy weapons, or just want to watch the movie, go ahead and check it out. As for this article, we can all come to our own conclusions here. They just want to kind of talk about the truth and just sweep it under the rug, and we'll just go ahead and blame it on another power line. Everyone, go ahead and leave your comments and opinions. Let me know what you think. Take care. God bless.